What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys that how you all can use Photoshop on your Android device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to open Play Store. So let's open it real quick and type PS Touch. So this is the app, guys. Adobe Photoshop Express Photo Editor and Collage Maker. So it's an editor's choice app, guys. So that's how you know it's good, and I used it a couple of times and it worked great. I installed it on my another phone, and this is the phone from which I record my videos. As you can see, guys, there are 60 plus unique looks to choose from, and you can also combine multiple images, and there are some advanced features, guys, and you can also get the heal feature, and there you can make your image more appealing, more attractive. You can also correct the red eye from this app, guys, as you can see. So this app can do most of the things that you can do on your PC with the help of your Photoshop. So this is a great app, guys. Just install it and enjoy. So this is it for this video, guys. I thought that maybe I could show you guys that how you all can use Photoshop on your Android device, as you don't have to open your PC to do for doing your simple Photoshop needs, and you can just do it on your Android device and you can do it anywhere on the go. So it's very reliable and very portable. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. And at last, I want to ask you guys a favor, that if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, because it really means a lot and it really helps me in doing more of these videos. And if you have any suggestion for this video on my channel, you can comment down in the comment section below. It would be really helpful. And subscribe so we can grow together and make more awesome videos, and you can share this information with your friends, guys. So see you in the next one. Bye, guys.